Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video, we will understand how to print Floyd's triangle. Floyd's triangle, named after Robert Floyd, is a right-angled triangle which is made using natural numbers, and it starts from 1 and consecutively selects the next greater number in sequence. Now we will see how to print Floyd's triangle using C programming language. So I am going to start with a new file. I'll start by writing first of all #include stdio.h. After that, I will start with integer main function. So I am writing integer main function. Inside integer main function, I will write down some variable. I will declare some variable, integer n, I, j and integer k equals to 1. So I am putting initial value to k as 1. I am giving initial value to n as 5, as I want to print a 5 number triangle here by using this technique. So I am writing first of all a for loop for I equals to 1 semicolon, I less than or equals to n semicolon, I plus plus updation of I. Inside that, I am going to write down a for loop for j for j equals to 1 semicolon, j less than or equals to I and j plus plus. So here I have written for j, and in that j I am going to use a printf statement. So I'll use a printf %3 and d. So I am using %3d. It can be explained as it will be the percentage is to print off the thing, the integer, that is the d, and having a places for space for 3 places at least. So I am using %3d, and then what I'll do is I'll write down printf and ask the program control to go to the next line, like this, and then I'll write down written 0. So here I have written my program to print Floyd's triangle. Let's save this file as est.c. After saving this file, we'll check if there is any error. So build finished with 0 errors. Let's run it. So here it is not showing any triangle. I have to check for j equal to, here must be, because I have written 1, so it's not showing any consecutiveness. So here it must be I, and then we'll run it again. So as you can see, we have a Floyd's triangle. So as I told you, it starts from 1 and consecutively selects the next greater number in sequence. It's starting 1 and in second digit it's 2 and next consecutive number is 3. Again it will start with 4 and next consecutive, the greater number, the greater consecutive is 5, then 6. So this way you can print. So as we have written n equal to 5, that's why it is of 5 lines only, 1, 2, 3. You can have in any line way as your choice, and also you can ask this n from the user to be entered, and then you can run the same program. I hope you understood how to print Floyd's triangle using C programming language. Thank you.